Inherited a P05 file from an older Windows PC and wondering what program created it. This is a project file from a desktop publishing app popular in the late 1990s. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain your options for opening these Power Publisher projects. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful P05 file inspection tool. A P05 file is a project created by Parson's Power Publisher 5, an older desktop publishing application. Users encounter this file when trying to access or convert legacy documents like newsletters, brochures, or flyers. The primary user intent is to open these old designs in modern software, often requiring conversion. The P05 format is a proprietary binary container designed to encapsulate all project elements, including text boxes, images, vector shapes, and layout information. This monolithic structure ensured that all assets were self-contained for easy transfer between computers running the same software, but it complicates modern data extraction. Windows registers the P05 file as an opener for Parson's Power Publisher 5 developed by Parson Technology. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows cannot interpret or manipulate page geometry, so proper handling depends on layout tools. The initial action is crucial. Right-click your P05 file and select Open With. Use Parson's Power Publisher 5 if it's installed. It's the best candidate. If not, cycle through the remaining options until one works. When your P05 file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Let's change direction. The failure confirms a hidden issue. Run through these 3 rapid diagnostic checks with me right now. First, installing Power Publisher 5. The original Parson's Power Publisher 5 software is required for proper P05 file access. If you have legacy installation media, install the application on a compatible Windows system or virtual machine running Windows 95/98 or XP. Once installed, double-click the P05 file to open it natively. Next, trying modern publishing software. Attempt to import the P05 file into modern desktop publishing applications like Microsoft Publisher Scribus or Adobe InDesign. While direct compatibility is unlikely, some applications may extract text content. Use File then Open or Import and browse to the P05 file to test compatibility. Finally, extracting text content. Open the P05 file in a text editor like Notepad++ to recover readable text strings from the document. While layout and graphics will be lost, this approach salvages the written content, which can then be reformatted in a current desktop publishing application of your choice. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.